pusifa kafata isima. Chime kwepana, ebe chimu simuna mugabie. Agama biri yando. Chimu simudiri. Agama biri yando. Yara pusifa kafata isima. Chime kwepana, ebe chimu simuna mugabie. Agama biri yando.
You must find her. There is a lot of money. We cannot afford to lose it.
How much, sir?
Will you shut up your mouth? Are you out of your mind? How does that concern you? Your duty is to obey the last order and not to ask silly questions.
Sorry, sir.
Pick some intelligent men, comb the whole area, and make sure you find her.
Yes, sir.
This is what she looks like. Don't come back without finding her. Remember the last song.
Sure, sir.
So after calibanting the whole place, we are two friends.
I got you food.
I'm talking to somebody. Huh?
But you need it.
No, nobody's talking.
What I need is my name. I want to know who
What's
I
it?
am.
Listen,
Uncle, if you need more food, you
I understand.
But
But you need to eat.
shut your mouth.
You saved me.
God saved you. Oh, when you eat, you feel better. Yeah. By the way, my name is Okicho.
Thank you, Kichiko.
Ah, you're welcome. Yeah. You have to take her home until we figure out what to do about her. And always remember to bring her here for the checkup. Alright, doctor, I'll do that. So I've instructed the nurse at the reception to prepare her drugs. So you take them on your way out. Please, make sure she takes them. It's very important. Alright, doctor. I will.
Baby, you don't need to be hungry for you to have dinner. Besides, you're not used to skipping.
And I trust she's safe in your hands. Thank you very much, doctor. You're welcome. I'll do my best. Thank you. Welcome to my house. I hope you like it here. Sure? Alright. Now come and shoot.
This life, they turn around every day. You can never predict life. No, no, no.
Extensive investigations, and we are told that an accident happened some days. Yes, sir. On top of it, sir. Sure, sir.
still crying? Why?
My daughter is nowhere in sight. You're asking me why I'm still crying.
We all are in this together. I am more hurt than you are. Listen, crying will not bring our daughter back. Besides, if you give his word, you bring her back. Please.
Sweetheart, I cannot go to the bank with such hopeless promissory note.
At least you have trust in God. Stop crying. Please. Please.
Uncle, why are you doing this? Why are you just making my life so miserable?
You are making life miserable to you.
Uncle, you threw me out of your house and asked me never to come back. I went back to my late father's house and you organized some boys to pull down the rope. Uncle, I'm only respecting you. I'm only, Uncle, don't dare me. I will deal with you in this village, Uncle.
Use the word there. Eh? Look, it's not heavy in your mouth. Give up on a cockroach like you. Using that word. Eh? Yes, power. You said you go no.
Uncle, I have told you. I have told you to stay away from me and my business. Uncle, I have told you and you don't want to listen. No problem. I will go to my mother's brother and tell him all these things you're doing to me. Don't worry.
Don't waste time in going. You can even pack your things and go there.
Maybe.
Eh? Look at you. My business. Then look at as small as you are. You're talking about my business. Business. Hey! You want
Yeah. This is the same girl that was brought to my hospital.
So, tell me more about it.
She's the only person who survived that accident.
Are you sure, doctor?
Oh yes, I am very sure.
Because they called me now.
But she suffered amnesia.
So where is she now?
This was on your 12th
Can we see her?
You remember?
For now, she's temporarily staying with
were
her
everywhere.
pending the years.
You had
We
so much fun.
contact.
You remember?
Doctor,
Listen.
her parents
in
need her.
school.
She is the only child of Chief Felix in Mabwezi.
It's alright.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be a problem. I will give you the young man's address. You know how to do it.
So you are the one that has gotten a grip on my Okechukwu, deceiving him with memory loss, pretending that you don't know where you come from. You don't know where you came from. Maybe you fell from the sky, and you came from the cold, as an amusu that you are. Please clean this your tears. Get it out of your face. Look at me from head to toe. You can deceive Okechukwu, but I will never buy that your story. I will never, and my advice to you right now is that you should pack your things and get out of this village before you see my madness. You know the problem with you small children, the problem with you is that when you come to a place, you don't ask questions. My dear, go outside, ask people, who is Okechukwu? Who is Okechukwu? Just be asking that you're going. My dear, I am fire, and I will burn you to ashes. Nonsense, you.
Cara pusifa kapata isima Chime kwepana Ebe chimo semu na mugadie Agama diri yandua Chimo semu diri Agama diri yandua Cara pusifa kapata isima Oh no no
Why?
We know you lost your memory, but just come with us.
Get up!
Calm down.
Because of this person, I'm going to go police. I don't think maybe that
we are here to protect you. Don't worry, when we get to the station, come with us, okay? You're safe, you are a servant. Enter, we are your friends. The police is your friend. We have the girl here, but she's proving stubborn. Hey! We are bringing her to the station, sir.
Hey! What house are you talking about?
I'm in the house now. You even asked me to buy you some food, so what are you doing in my village?
I
In fact, it's not possible. I don't know what you're talking about. See,
where do I come from? What's my name?
I mean, you were good and happy before I left the house this morning. Why did something change? What's happening?
I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be here disturbing you and your girlfriend. If I had an idea of who I am, or at least my name.
My girlfriend.
It doesn't matter.
DPO, I'm still asking you, what is happening to my daughter?
Who are you? Eh?
That is your mom. I'm your dad.
Yes. My mom. My dad. My mama don't die. Oh? And if you don't know, my papa to join her. So who will that to be?
Our chief, please do sit down. Madam, take your seat. Our chief, the doctor who treated her said she lost her memory.
Hey! Malayo! Nalai! I'm not going to make me card. I don't believe I'm home. Nalai!
Chief, what I'm saying is that she's suffering from amnesia.
Hi! It's not possible. Not my daughter.
Cha. Hey, oh, blows up.
Blows up. These are your parents. Actually, they sent us out to look for you. So you will go with them. You will take time to recover fully at home. Okay?
No, Allah.
Chief, you can take your daughter home.
Thank you very much, DP.
You are welcome.
I'll make sure you get the reward.
Thank you very much, sir.
Baby, come on, let's go.
Thank you, DP.
Madam, you are welcome.
Sir, let me go back to my post.
What's the matter with you? What has that innocent girl done to you? Eh? A girl that has been through a lot. What is your problem? Don't you have a ton of mess in you?
Okay, Chico, open your eyes. Open your eyes and see. That girl is not who she claims to be, and I will not sit down and watch her deceive you like this.
Shut up, your mouth! Shut up! Did I ask you to look out for me? See, you're sounding as if I'm a baby. What's wrong with you? Listen, you're not my mother. You're not even my wife. Listen, I am warning you. Stay clear.
This life, they turn around every day. You can never predict life. No. Unafuga na the chimo semundi wetale weya. Money baby, mapura your fault. Mata bebe, mapura your fault. Opa galakaki, ife chigi galona degonya. Ebe chigi siniga no, eba fuki nasiba mama. Mapura your fault. Ngara pusi fakafata isima. Chime kwekwana, ebe chimo semona mugabe.
Wait. Now your house be this? Huh?
It is your house also.
Yes.
And those are your servants.
Like,
It's your house.
you dey live for this house, abi?
It's your house.
My house.
Yes.
Let's go.
Come on. Let's go to your room so that you can have yourself cleaned up.
Hey, what, Papa? What the bounce?
Close off. It's yes, daddy, or yes, mommy. Hi. Isia or whatever you are called. You have finished me. You go one minute.
Okay, sorry. Yes, Daddy. Oh, yes, Mommy.
It's okay, honey. She will get over it someday. Blossom, who's going on? No, this way.
Here we are. This is your room, sweetheart.
Do you remember?
It's okay, no problem. Just relax, okay? Maybe go inside the bedroom, take your shower, freshen up, just come back and relax.
We'll be waiting for you in the sitting room.
Freshen up.
Hey, that's, take your shower.
Clean up.
This life, they turn around every day. You can never predict life. Na. Unafuga na the chimo semundi wetala weya. Money baby, mabura ya fault. Mata beda, mabura ya fault. Okwa karaka gi, ife chigi delona degonya. Ebe chigi siniga no, eba fuki na sipa mama.
I don't want to wake up, oh. Child! We dey enjoy. Hey, now me get this dinner. Yes. Jackpot.
Another one for you.
Don't worry. They're fine.
What is going on here?
Huh? Welcome.
Chisimde, is this not the last soup in the pot? Huh?
Let's go. Come on, Jerry. Come.
Remove your dirty hand. So after gallivanting the whole place with your stupid friends, you come and take my food and eat? Huh? Hey, I'm talking to somebody. Huh? No, nobody is talking.
Uncle.
If you need more food, you go to the market and buy your own.
Uncle, why are you doing this now?
Shut your mouth.
Uncle, I'm not finished eating, no.
Press your nose down.
Eat your food so that you can go to bed early.
It's a favorite.
Mama. Mommy, I'm not hungry now. Maybe when I'm hungry, then I'll eat later.
Baby, you don't need to be hungry for you to have dinner. Besides, you're not used to skipping meals.
Minute. Tell those girls that they should carry the food to my room So that when I'm hungry, I'll eat later.
Your room?
This life, they turn around every day. You can never predict life. No, no, no. Una forget no the dream was someone you want to Money baby, I follow your fault. Mata bega, I follow your fault. Okwa kalakaki, ife chigi delona degonya. Ebe chigi siniga no, eba fuki nasipa mama. Abura ya fa, ngara pusi fakafata isima. Chime kwekwala, ebe chimo simo na mugadie. Agama million.
Yeah.
Chimo simo delia. Chimo simo delia. Chimo simo delia.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You see, this food is called jollof rice. Concussion jollof rice. That's what it is.
Maybe I must have eaten it in my former wood.
Your former wood?
Mm-hmm.
Listen, it's not that bad. I am very sure you've not missed out in any way. You will get your life back.
Stop giving me false hope. Now I'm beginning to enjoy my new wood.
Alright, it's okay. Just eat. Sorry, okay?
It's okay. So, tell me more about you.
After this meal.
This was the first day you called me mom. Yes. This was on your 12th birthday. You remember? That day, your friends were everywhere. You had so much fun. You remember? This one was your first day in school. Yes.
Who be it? Who is this girl?
They're your friends. You remember this one? Esther. She was also involved in that accident. She died. Oh, poor girl. I wonder what will be happening with the parents. Oh, God. Thank you for saving my daughter. God saved your life because He knows I cannot afford to stay a minute without you. I love you, sweetheart. You are the best. Thank God for saving you for me. Have you home. Check on what I did. Sweetheart, we have to do something very okay. I want my daughter's sanity back. She cannot continue like a newborn child.
Yes, you're right. She cannot continue like that. I need to hire a clinical psychologist to help her out.
Good day, Chief. Good day, man.
Good day, Doctor. How are you?
Fine, Chief. Chief, there is something I want to tell you.
What is it?
Chief, my mother is sick and I would like to see her.
What is wrong with her?
Chief, I don't know exactly. My sister called me, but she didn't tell me what the exact problem is.
So when do you intend to leave?
Chief, if possible, tomorrow.
Okay. Before you leave, we'll be giving some cash. Okay?
Thank you, Chief. Thank you.
You're welcome.
When you get to the village, greet her for me.
Thank you.
Chisende! Chisende!
Chief!
What are you doing?
Nai, are we quarreling? Respect and greeting first now.
What will happen? Will you leave this compound?
Nai, we are asking after our friend Chisindi. We've not seen her in a while.
Am I her keeper?
Yeah. But she's on knees now. Go in and bring her.
I said leave this compound.
Nai, we are not leaving. We're not leaving until you tell us where you kept her, where you tied her.
Nai, you don't have to go wrong.
So I tied her. Okay. Let me go and untie her. Fast! Chi?
Chi, baby!
Send them! Get out of here! Degi ikeva kawasi akawa. Degi ikeva banan kawan.
What is happening? Does it mean this girl must have gone somewhere to rob and she was shot? Eh? She's not there. She's not here.
Onye megide kwana mwadalo wama Onye meje kwana mwadalo wama Okuchuku kulunisi ya Oge mezukwa Nkachuku karo chimo semodi Oge mezukwa na Chimo semodi
Madam, when did you leave the house to this place, to my village?
House? What house are you talking about?
Madam, I left you in the house now, and you even asked me to buy you some fruit, so what are you doing in my village? Do you know him?
I don't.
Young man, she said she knew him. And in fact, it's not possible that she was the one that said to get fruits for her. It's not possible. Because she has been with you since morning, so I don't know what you're talking about. Please, if you don't mind, just leave.
See, this is my madam. I left her in the house while I come in, and you're telling me I don't know what I'm talking about.
Please, let's go. What's the meaning of that rubbish? Hope you're not snapping us.
No.
Let's go.
You don't read? You don't see your mama? Okay. Small Madam D. Madam D. I say small Madam D, I just see her now, she just passed. Everything happened right now. You say anything? The grief. You see her for where? I beg, just I don't get your time. I say I don't get your time. She been at that Ogugoro where you drink before you travel for Madam Yabo place. Maybe na that thing where they do you for head. I don't get your time, I beg. I beg, Johnson, I beg, leave me alone. I dey walk, leave me. You want me to sack me? I dey walk, Johnson.
You're back so soon. How is your mother?
Chief, it wasn't serious. I gave my siblings money to take her to the local health center.
Well, thank God for that.
But Chief, I have something to tell you, but I don't want you to see me as an insane man.
What is it, Johnson?
Chief, on my way to the village, I saw a young girl. So I told the bike man to stop me. So when I went closer, I discovered it was your daughter, Blossom.
What? What did you say?
I strove with my late father's grave. I saw her with one man in my village. The man is a teacher. And the most shocking thing is I asked Agnes. Agnes said Blossom was in the house. See, these are the pictures I took of her. This is Blossom.
Eat your food before it gets cold.
Eat. Baby, you don't like it? Okay, you want to lick ice cream first?
Me like I this one go house. I mean, I'll take it though.
Here's your ice cream.
No, stop.
You can't do that.
No. Hey, stop.
Blossom, you cannot do
Stop.
this.
We're in a public place. Blossom, wait. You don't do this. Yes. You can't help it. Yes.
The one that asked her to package your food since you want to take it home. Yes.
Hey! Man, no find my meat. Carry.
Let's sit down.
Pepana, ebe chimo semuna mugadie, agama diri ando. Chimo se moderia. Agamadiri and Yara Pussy Pacapata Isima. Oh no, Chima Pepana,
Sir, do you want to buy anything?
Blossom, what happened to you?
Young man, she said she doesn't know you. So what are you doing here? Let me live here. Say what?
Young man, I have come in peace. I didn't come here to give you any trouble. Blossom is my daughter.
What is Blossom?
That is my daughter. Her name is Blossom.
Sister, she has been through a lot. The accident shattered her. She lost her identity and also lost hope. Never knew someone would just come and ask after her.
I can understand what she has been through. My home has never been the same ever since she left.
Well, she's almost getting acclimatized with the new environment.
I can say that. And I want to thank you for all that you've been doing for her. And for we, her parents.
So it's nothing. You know, I can't just sit down and watch her perish. I had to do what I had to do.
You're a good young man.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you do me a favor?
What's it, sir?
I want her to stay with you. Just a little longer. Do you mind?
No, not at all. I don't mind. Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
Alright. Since I'll see you, I would like to give you my address. I don't have my complimentary card with me. Can I write it down somewhere for you?
Yes. Oh, please help me. If you can. That book is okay. Thank you.
What she eating? I don't think that many people actually.
Yeah. Okay. So you can always reach me anytime you want.
Sorry. Okay.
Alright. Keep it.
Thank you, sir.
Keep the money. Hoping to see you soon.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
He said he is your father and that your name is Blossom. To me, that's a beautiful name. I mean, it's a beautiful name for a beautiful princess like you.
Well, I don't recognize him.
I understand. But if he is truly your father, someday you will recognize him. Sorry. See what he knows. It's alright, it's alright.
Justin, you don't read? You don't see your mama? Okay. Small Madam B. Small Madam B. I say small Madam B, I just see her now, she just passed. Everything happened, why they ask me? You say everything? The grief. You say see her for where? I beg, just I don't get your time. I say I don't get your time. She been at that ogugoro where you drink before you travel for Madam Iyabo place. Maybe na that thing where they do you for head. I don't get your time, I beg. I beg, Johnson, I beg, leave me alone. I dey work.
I dey work, leave me. You want make they start me? I dey work, just in.
You're back so soon. How is your mother?
Chief, it wasn't serious. I gave my siblings money to take her to the local health center.
Well, thank God for that.
But Chief, I have something to tell you, but I don't want you to see me as an insane man.
What is it, Johnson?
Chief, on my way to the village, I saw a young girl. So I told the bike man to stop me. So when I went closer, I discovered it was your daughter, Blossom.
What? What did you say?
My late father's grave. I saw her with one man in my village. The man is a teacher. And the most shocking thing is I asked Agnes. Agnes said Blossom was in the house. See, these are the pictures I took of her.
He go cook himself. That's why you don't believe that. He go cook himself.
Eat your food.
Yes. I think you move here.
Eat. Baby, you don't like it? Okay, you want to lick ice cream first?
And I like how you move the daytime. You know that it's a bad thing to say is rich people. I'll say they deserve whatever they do. They deserve it. Hey. Hey, their father.
No, stop.
You don't think as well when Baba said he need to work family.
No.
Royal family.
Hey, stop.
Blossom, you cannot.
Stop. We're in a public place.
I haven't thought it was the second son of giving them so he can become.
Blossom, wait, you don't do this. Yes. You can't help me. Yes.
To package your food since you want to take it home. Yes.
Hey! Man, no find my message. Do you want to buy anything?
Oh my God. Blossom, what happened to you?
Young man, she said she doesn't know you. So what are you still doing here? My friend live here. Say what for?
Young man, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I have come in peace. I didn't come here to give you any trouble. Blossom is my daughter.
What? What is Blossom?
That is my daughter. Her name is Blossom.
Sister, she has been through a lot. The accident shattered her. She lost her identity. And we also lost hope. Never knew someone would just come and ask after her.
I can understand what she has been through. My home has never been the same ever since she left.
Well, she's almost getting acclimatized with the new environment.
I can see that. And I want to thank you for all that you've been doing for her. And for we, her parents.
So it's nothing. You know, I can't just sit down and watch her perish. I had to do what I had to do.
You're a good young man.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Can you do me a favor?
What's it, sir?
I want her to stay with you. Just a little longer. Do you mind?
No, not at all. I don't mind. Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
Alright. Since I'll see you, I would like to give you my address. I don't have my complimentary card with me. Can I write it down somewhere for you?
Yes. Oh, please help me. Help me. With the book. That book is a book. Thank you.
So you can always reach me anytime you want.
It's alright. Okay. No problem.
Alright. Keep it.
Thank you, sir.
Keep the money. Hoping to see you soon.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
He said he is your father and that your name is Blossom. To me, that's a beautiful name. I mean, it's a beautiful name for a beautiful princess like you.
No, I don't recognize him.
I understand. But if he is truly your father, someday you will recognize him. So, see what he knows. It's alright, it's alright.
Chima, 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 Chinekebia. Epapana kalili we monowa, epapana kalili we mwaga.
She there inside. Yes, inside.
come back early?
Yes, now.
Yes.
He came back early.
And it's because of you.
Me? What did I do?
You didn't do anything. But I know you're not Blossom.
You do?
She's your twin sister.
How? She's your daughter. And I'm not. So, how would they relate?
It is complicated, but I will explain to you later.
Very sorry. I've been not letting it happen like this. But I saw police when they beat me. Go see you and your wife. Nah, I'll see riches. So I never wanted to go back to where I was coming from. Poverty. I beg. I don't have father. No mama. Please forgive me. Or if you want, Mari, go. I'll go back.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. From now on, this is your home. You are my daughter.
Thank you.
It's okay. Don't cry.
Sweetheart, you're back.
Yes.
Welcome. You know what? I was trying to search online for the best holiday destination in the world. Now our daughter is back. We can go together and enjoy ourselves. What is it? Why are you kneeling down?
Please forgive me.
Forgive you? You've not done anything wrong. For what?
Everything I've ever done, everything I did it for love. Please forgive me.
Stop this. You're scaring me. For Christ's sake, you've not done anything wrong. Oh, wait. Are you in any kind of trouble?
Blossom is not our biological child.
Did you drink alcohol?
This is not a joke, honey. Blossom is not our biological daughter.
How dare you? How dare you say that Blossom is not our daughter? My goodness. Sweetheart, if you were not my husband of 30 years, I would have given you a dirty slap. How dare you? How dare you stand before my face and tell me that she is not my daughter? Blossom, a girl I gave birth to, a girl I carried for 9 months, gave birth to CS, and you stand here before my face telling me that she is not my daughter. Oh no, I won't take it. If it is a joke, you better stop it, because I am not in the right frame of mind for such an expensive joke.
Honey, this is not a joke. We lost our child in the hospital. Doctor, what is it? How about my wife?
There is a problem here, Mr. Phillips.
What problem? Is my wife okay?
Your wife's case is complicated. Yes, she's experiencing pre-eclampsia.
But she still has about a month to go.
So?
I'm sorry that that mother or child may not make it. Yes, because we have to carry out quick operation here. Mr. Felix, choose between your wife and your unborn child. Oh, come on, Mr. Felix, please, you're a man, just sit up, please. Okay, don't do that, you're a man.
Doctor, I need my wife alive. But she needs the child. Please, doctor, help us. If I lose the child, I may lose my wife.
So what then do you want me to do?
I am willing to pay anything, any amount for a replacement.
What? Do you know what you're talking about here in my office, Mr. Felix?
Yes, I do. That is why I said I am willing to pay any amount.
Mr. Felix, you are asking for a big one here. And this will cost you.
How much are we talking about here?
$10 million.
It is done.
Yeah, Mr. Felix. There is a woman on admission here in my hospital. She's likely to put to bed a few hours from now. I've confirmed that she's carrying a set of twins. And she's not even aware yet. So, when she's delivered of the unborn child, we'll take it off from there. But you see, Mr. Felix, the major thing here is to save your wife's life.
Thank you, Doc.
Very important.
Thank you very much. Doc, how did it go?
Oh, very well, sir. Your wife made it.
Thank God.
She made it.
I'm grateful, Doc.
Oh, wonderful.
Thank you.
Yes.
And how about that?
Doctor, the woman in your room, she's in labor.
Oh, really?
Yes, doctor.
Ekwekwana karịrị igwe mụ n'ụwa, ekwekwana ka ụwa megide m. Aga m abụzi Chineke nwa o, aga m abụzi Chinenye nwa o. Ọkwa ife enyela m n'ụwa ka m ji ego n'ihu, mgbe enyela m onye akarịsịrị Chukwu. Chima, Chineke bịa.
Nurse, please. Has she been delivered of the babies?
Sir, what babies? And who are you talking about?
Oh, I'm sorry. Seriously. What are you saying? What do you mean that she didn't give birth to twins? But you gave me your word.
Yes, I did.
But what? Are you really a doctor? Because if you are, you should be able to know that she's not giving birth to a set of twins.
Mr. Phillips, I won't even try to dignify any of your comments with response.
Now what am I going to do? Very soon my wife will wake up only to find out she has lost our baby. Doctor, that will kill her. Please do something.
Okay.
Are you sure about her? What is the possibility that she will give birth before my wife wakes up?
I said she don't be hot now.
Well, in that case, I think a wife should be given given another sedative.
Maybe because you use this word. So that's how it is. It's interesting.
Madam, push harder, madam. Madam, you got sweet.
Doc.
Yeah, Chief.
How did it go?
A very big congratulations to you, Chief. Oh, you got a baby girl.
Thank God! Doctor, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So, let us go to my office where we complete the rest of this transactions.
Okay, please. Yes, that is the account number.
I said I was not.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Doc, that was my account officer.
Doctor, the child has been moved.
All right. Thank you. Congratulations once again, Chief.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you.
Chief. I think you will need some rest. It's been a long day.
Absolutely.
So, go in and see what I'm doing.
Okay.
Chief. Very good.
Looks very much like me.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Can't you see? Honey, I'm very
If you collect money, if you collect money, japa. Yeah, he really loves you. Hello, something inside that love. They love when you love. Something inside the love.
How could you keep this away from me?
Yeah, yes, she's been liking to be.
Why?
Taking his faults and all that.
You are so sorry. Yes, you are so sorry. So I've been living with a liar for the past 30 years. You're just telling me that you are sorry and expect your sin to be washed away just like that.
Honey, I did it for love. Each time you had miscarriage in the past, I saw how the situation nailed you and I didn't like it. I found that it will kill you if you later discover that the child had to die for you to live.
I would have gladly given up my life for him or her to live. So stop trying to whip up sentiment. What you did was devilish.
I know. I'm wrong in every ramification. Please forgive me.
So tell me, where is her twin sister?
She's the one with us in the house.
What? Felix? You really have no end to your secrecy?
No, I thought she was Blossom as well. I only discovered this morning she isn't Blossom. When Johnson traveled to the village and saw Blossom and came back to tell me. And I went there this morning to see for myself. The police picked her twin sister.
So, where is she?
She is still with the young man that saved her life. She couldn't recognize me, so I had to come back and tell you the truth before bringing her back.
I want to see my daughter.
Let me go and bring her back right away.
Okachi, why are you behaving like a kid? Take your medicine.
And it has almost
Take your medicine. Now you see the importance of having wife and children. When they are begging you to get married, you refused.
You are dying. Why won't you die, Okachi? Why won't you die? You killed your only brother out of greed and jealousy. Huh? You chased his daughter away just to have his house. I'm even sure you are the one that killed Chisindi's mother. Okachi, you don't say about your mom.
Ndo niile mbere n'ụwa abago n'ike nkawa.
Sacrifice. Biggest sacrifice to overcome that one.
Okachi, Dad, Okachi, hey, Okachi, Dad, hey, Okachi. Okay, so cool.
Okachi, bring game, come back now.
Hey, wow, hello.
I don't do you now. I never even do the poster. They find background. Wicked person. My hand is naturally. I better go and sit down. They ask me. Days of what? Which a lot is going through. No drop money here. Yes, it's for you. I will lock the door. Take care. Ah, shit.
Today is your birthday. Your 20th birthday to be precise. There's no better way to say happy birthday than to present you with this wonderful gift. As a token of my love for you.
Oh my goodness! Thank you, Daddy! Thank you! I love you! Mommy!
Here's the key.
God. Oh my goodness, Daddy, this is beautiful! Thank you, Daddy! Thank you! Thank you! Mommy?
So what you do now, hop in the car with your friends. Let's go to the party ground. Come on.
Are you going my way, ladies? Yes!
When that car key was presented to you.
Oh, babes. Lexus 300 maybe for children. Oh, so. Can't you see the star? I can imagine.
Serious? What could be more important than this?
I've been by demo a post for Instagram, and that was why I came to download it. They don't copy them. Okay, it's just 2 minutes. I think it's just a short. But another person copied it.
No speeding. Don't overtake unnecessary. Remember, the seatbelt is your best friend in the car.
Thank you, I love you.
Love you, Mama, darling.
Love you, Daddy.
Love you too.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye, Daddy. Babe, oh yeah, seatbelt mode activated fast. Now.
What kind of seatbelt? Let's go, please.
Esther, let's
go for God's sake.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Please, pick
Come
up,
on.
Help me with the big.
Okay.
No, not that. Give me the bottle. You need to be high. You need to get high. Don't need to too fast.
Prince, let this change to put our belt though.
Let's drive be fast. Speed up. I don't need seat belt. It's not necessary.
At all.
What's happening?
Okay.
Oh shit. Pick the bottle up. The cup. Pick it up.
Oh shit, I've lost it.
Yes. I love you.
Come on.
Speed up, Doctor. Speed up.
Put the ball out.
Okay.
Esther, please help me with the drink. No, we need to speed up. Like, we need to get to that wedding.
Prince, if you talk too much now, you come and drive this car.
Better, can you drive one better?
I can't wait to get to this village.
I
Esther,
swear
help me with
it's
the
superb.
drink, please.
Say that to worry, yeah. Lie, baby, but woo!
Good morning, young lady.
Where am I?
Oh, you're in the hospital.
Hospital.
Oh, relax.
How did I get here?
You were involved in a fatal motor accident with your friends. And this young man here saved your life.
Accident.
Oh, yes.
Friends? What friends are you talking about?
What's your name, miss?
Hey. What name?
Doctor, what is it? I think she has amnesia. What? See me in my office.
I did, yes. I did, yes.
One that shall never cease. So if we say Madam Blossom, get me sister. You know say, when you tell me say you say for your village, I think say na the ogogoro where you drink don't enter your head so.
This guy, you see he's a being so person. Well, me I'm surprised when I see him, Sha.
But so it means say Madam and Oga no say they get another pikin outside. What did they happen, Seth? What did they happen?
Oh, no concern me, Sha. Hey, Agnes. How far about that thing I tell you? See, I don't tell my mama for village.
What did you say? We dey talk better thing, we dey talk serious thing for here. When they tell me, what did they worry you? Eh? I thought you say I don't want to marry you. You don't get money, or because of this small baby we manage girls. Eh? No be say okay. If you say you fine, but no money for your pockets. Eh? What did they worry you? Fine but no money for pockets.
You make I tell you, they see me like this, so I will still get money.
I beg, come on. Go now.
See, just think about me and you.
Come on, you distract me. I warned them, but they didn't listen.
It's okay. It's okay, my girl. You took precaution. That's why God saved your life.
Mommy. That girl. Who is she? Mommy. Daddy. Why am I asking who she is and no one is talking?
It's okay. Actually, your father here is in a better position to explain that to you.
Okay. Daddy. Who is she?
She is your twin sister.
My twin what? How come no one told me that I had a sister, let alone a twin?
I like how fire they going.
Babe, none of us is in a hurry.
We are not your biological parents.
This man nowhere, no man, in the overdo.
Actually, you were still from the hospital by your father.
You what? This has got to be a joke of the century, right?
Exactly what I thought when he told me that he masterminded it. And he told me that all these years when I believed that you were my daughter, we were actually not.
When I thought that the shock is over, when you tell me this, I can't believe this is happening. Okay? Take me out of here. Take me out of here!
I beg. Please. I'm making no go kiss for one person one day. Okay. Like, do you get? Now only that one they say Zubi. They tell her to read script. They go they talk one more. It is not action. I don't like his acting.
Living with strangers for the past 21 years of my existence. Do you know how that feels? Do you?
Script, Abby.
Yeah, I know it's a terrible feeling. You cannot just walk away just like that. This is your home.
No. This is not my home.
Listen to me. My house, Eunice. You're real parents.
They no get house. Oh yeah. Look at me. You be everything. Me, I'm not. No food. No money. Nothing, I'm only solo. You get everything. When money fee buy. And you dey complain. I get the opportunity. That's the kind of life where you get. I'm gonna tell you. It's sweet. I'm not even gonna come out again. So please. Now your house be this. Oh?
Baby, I am sorry. We were desperate for a child. I did everything possible. I'm sorry, please forgive me. It was all my fault.
Forgive you. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. Please. You are still my daughter. I still love you, no matter what.
Where did you buy this necklace? Oh, yes, I bought it from. No, I mean,
It has been on my neck all my life.
you bought it, and it has been on your neck. I don't understand.
Well,
tell me, who are you? Where are your parents, and where are you from?
I was told by the orphanage where I grew up that a good Samaritan picked me by the roadside in a town called Ibuzo. And the good Samaritan told them at the orphanage that my parents are dead.
My love.
Honey?
Please, take this necklace. Put it on yourself's neck.
You bought this also from the church?
Yes, the parish priest blessed it.
Oh. Is it? Your mommy bought this medal for you. But I know that someday you're going to buy her a gold necklace.
Buy for two of us. For the two of us.
Shut up! What? You're here for this change. This is my time.
This is the medal. Remember? This is the medal. I I was the one that wore it on his neck. Izuchukwu, yes. That's Izuchukwu. Hey! Izuchukwu! Hey! Izuchukwu, my son! You mean you're my biological
Yes!
So that's the medal.
You remember that night? I was the one that gave you the necklace
when
and
the armed robbers
you
came
put it
and
on his
took him away.
neck. Yes! Yes! Oh, I agree! Izuchukwu!
I don't even know what to say.
Your brother.
Okachukwu, please come.
Listen. Remember this necklace. Remember you asked me to throw away this necklace that I owned it. Remember?
Yes.
Good. These are people that bought it.
Yes.
They actually placed this on my neck. They're my biological parents. Yes. Remember those of the girl that I said you were always quarreling me about? She's my sister. And she's in the here. Happens to be her twin sister. Dad, Mom, it's Ogochukwu, the girl that I love so much. The girl after my heart.
Hey!
Yes.
Hey! Jiwaye, come my daughter-in-law. Welcome to my home. Welcome.
I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. You're welcome to our home. I'm so sorry.
Come on, everyone. Let's go inside and make merry. My life, my family, miraculously restored. Come on, all, let's go inside.